The working principle of the brake system is to rub fixed objects onto a rotating object. As a result, the rotating object stops immediately. Drum brake is a type of brake system with a closed design. In a drum brake system, the fixed object is called brake shoes, and the rotating object is called a drum. Brake shoes are connected to the vehicle's chassis, while the drum is connected to the axle shaft. It called closed design because brake shoe position is inside the drum. You can see in this picture. This causes friction between the brake shoes and the drum protected, so that the drum brake is safe against interference from dust or oil leaks. Now, how do drum brakes work? There are two brake shoes, shaped like this. Both will splay each other until the surface of the brake pad touches the inner surface of the drum, so that friction occurs. The friction makes the drum stop spinning immediately. So, what makes brake shoes splay? We did it through the brake pedal. For recent cars, the brake control mechanism used hydraulic system. Hydraulic brakes, using fluid as an intermediary to move pressure from the brake pedal to the drum brake. When we press the brake pedal, the push rod is pushed so that the brake fluid in the master cylinder moves out towards the hose. At the end, the hose is connected to the wheel cylinder. The wheel cylinder converts the energy in the brake fluid into physical movement. In other way, pressed brake fluid exits the master cylinder into the wheel cylinder and presses the piston. As a result, the two pistons move outward and produce opposing physical movements. If we put the master cylinder at the top of the brake shoes, the two brake shoes can splay. To maximize the performance of the brake system, there are several additional components. Return spring. To hold and return the brake shoe's position when the brake pedal is released. Back plate. This is used as a brake shoe mounting point. Brake shoe holder. Consisting of pins and springs to hold the brake shoes, so they stick to the back plate. Brake shoe pivot holder. This is used as the axis of movement of the brake shoes. Brake shoes adjuster, a lever to adjust the gap between the brake pad and the inner surface of the drum. So, this is the braking process on the drum brake system. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.